Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is going to be absolutely perfect for tackling those chores around your house or your garden, and that is because it is a really nice garden dump cart. This was sent over by a company called Garvee Life, and I absolutely love it. So whether you are hauling around a bunch of kind of rocks or gravel, whether you are tackling your flower beds with a bunch of dirt or plants, or even moving around firewood around on your property, this is going to make your job a lot easier and save your back, which I absolutely love. So as far as assembly, it's going to take you about 30 minutes to put it together. It's going to come with everything you need, including a pair of nice wrenches and also some clear, easy to follow instructions. And then as you can see, it's all right here and assembled around me. It's made out of a nice hard plastic with a steel frame. That's a very important part because at the bottom it has a nice steel plate, which is going to keep it from sagging when you fill it up with dirt or especially gravel or rocks or anything heavy. Now this thing, to give you an idea of the size of it, it is about 68 inches in length. It's about 27 3/4 inches in width, and then it is about 32 1/4 inches in height as far as the overall outside dimensions. Now this thing can hold up to 800 pounds. So like I said, you can haul some major stuff with it. Has a very easy to use handle right here at the front, which obviously goes up and down and completely swivels side to side, so you can easily make sure you're directing it wherever you need. Now it's made to go over all different types of surfaces, whether you're dealing with gravel, sand, dirt, mud, pavers, etc., because it has some nice big rubber tires here. The rubber tires are about 10 inches in diameter, and then they are inflatable, so if you do like start to lose some air on them, you can re-inflate them, which is super nice. They also have a nice texture, so they're going to be nice and have a good grip, so if you are moving across wet surfaces, you don't have to worry about sliding or anything like that. As far as the capacity with inside the cart itself, it is about 33 inches by 22 inches, so it has got a nice large capacity. If you stack things up nice and high, they do even include this nice little mesh that you can attach to the sides, so that way you can kind of secure things up if you wish. Just nice little addition itself. Now this is a dump cart, so to make easy, there's a nice big handle right here on the front. Just simply pull up on it, and that's going to allow you to go ahead and dump out anything you need, and then go ahead and push it back down, pull the handle up, and it's nice and secure again. So very easy to dump this as far as dumping your soil or your gravel or your rock. I love how big the handles are. The handles are also nice and textured, so they're easy to grip. They're not going to slide around as you're working and getting all sweaty or anything like that. But very comfortable to use, very easy to maneuver, which makes this a big win in my books. Also very easy to hose down and clean because nothing really sticks to the plastic-like material, and it holds up very, very well. No drying, no cracking or anything, or no rusting compared to kind of the solid metal ones out there. So overall, if you are in the market and you're looking for a great garden cart, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.